Hello, it's Alex from Barn Cars in Brentwood. Here we've got a 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. It is the 220D AMG line. This car has got diamond cut alloy wheels. It has reversing camera, front and rear parking sensors. It comes with 2 keys, main dealer service history, and it's had a new service and MOT. This car has got heated electric leather seats. It has got the tailgate release button on the driver's door, and it does have the brushed steel and the wood grain accents in the interior. This car comes with automatic lights and a multifunction leather steering wheel as well as Bluetooth hands-free. Should you wish to finance this vehicle, we do have a finance calculator on our website. Alternatively, you can call us and we can get you a quote over the telephone, and we do accept part exchanges, so please do inquire. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.